So, Tamika, you got me going down memory lane. So, let me explain something. When I say I need help with the front cover is fine. But whenever you're trying to upload the book to be printed out, you need the front, the spine, and the back. My issue is not necessarily creating all three of those, getting it in the template so it can be accepted by Ingram Spark. Okay, KDP has the same process, even though her KDP's process is a whole lot easier. I've been using Ingram Spark to self-publish on my books, and that's what I'm sticking with until somebody tells me differently. Well, I feel comfortable doing something differently. So when it comes to my first two poetry anthologies, I'll admit I found some old photographs that I had done in a photo shoot that was initially supposed to be for an album cover. I was going to release a spoken word album, and then I put that with the book, got with the graphic artist, he designed it for me, and then with Confessions, which is the third poetry anthology, I designed that myself on Canva. I was playing around with Canva, came up with it, and was like, oh, I can do this. And that's one thing I would say about Canva. If you don't consider yourself to be techie, Canva, and another one that's good, but the quality sometimes doesn't always transfer, is Poster My Wall. When it comes to graphics and posters and flyers, if you don't know how to razzle dazzle it, Poster My Wall will already have stuff created for you. You just got to be able to substitute and put stuff in and put stuff out. You just got to pay for it to produce the proper quality that you want. So once I figured out how to make my own novel for Confessions, the third poetry anthology, that's where you see Eminence. That's where you see Unorthodox. I made those. Now the novels that I made, the novels initially was me getting with photographers. One was myself, and then the other ones was somebody else. I had them take pictures, and it just didn't vibe with me. I thought it was cool, and I probably may still use it some way somehow, but it never did work for me. So as a result, end up getting with a graphic artist, two different ones on the same cover, because like one kind of enhanced it and add something more to it. And that's how I came up with these covers you're now looking at right now. And again, one was a graphic artist who I'll admit I paid him a whole lot more than I wanted to, but I knew what I wanted, and he gave me exactly what I wanted. And I'm also